Okay, so this is our perfect prep machine. It is sitting on top of a microwave at the moment, and the reason for that is I really don't have any bench space in my kitchen. So the downside of having it on top of a microwave is that the microwave heats up, and so does the perfect prep machine, and therefore I cannot use it because it has a water too hot like function that stops it from working if it works out that the water in the reservoir is too hot. So I have my my Closer to Nature bottle with 120 mils. With 2 scoops in it, because that's what I use for my formula, and I have the little dial on the 120 mils, and I just press the power button. And as you see in a second, here we go, it will fill up with super hot water, and that's to dissolve the formula and also to kill any bugs that might be in the formula. So then I get my lid, because that alarm tells me that I now have to shake it. So I shake and shake and shake till it's dissolved. I only have 2 minutes until the machine will reset, so don't go do something else, you'll forget. Take the lid back off, press the button again, and it fills with water. It will stop at 120 mils, but whilst it's doing this, I always put in a little bit of Infocol, especially if she's about to go down for sleep. I just want to make sure she sleeps for the maximum amount of time that she can without being upset, because she's got air bubbles. So it's okay to go do something now, because it doesn't matter if when it finishes you're not right there. All done. So I just shake it to disperse all the hot water throughout the bottle, and honestly now it's just warm like it would be to touch somebody's arm. It's perfect. It's perfect every time. Great machine. When it works. That always works.